I've printed over 10,000 shirts, and in this video, we're gonna find out which is better, Printful or Redbubble. This is a Redbubble versus Printful t-shirt quality review. First up, we have the classic tee. It's priced at $27.14. It's in a unisex and it's a small. You also see that the tag of this is American Apparel. It's 100% organic cotton and it's in the color of cream. When I put on the shirt, I felt like it was very comfortable. I could see myself wearing it on the weekends or throughout the week. A little bit more fitted, a little bit more of an athletic fit. So if you want to show off some muscles, this will help you do it. There are some parts of the design where you can see a little bit faded and it kind of has like a grain on top of it. You can see the pattern of the shirt through the print. I didn't see any opportunities for custom tags with Redbubble. Unfortunately, I found that this actual t-shirt is no longer available on Redbubble, but it was created by the artist Mike Robel, and he is a French artist based in Tokyo. So we've discussed Redbubble. Let's see how Printful compares. Next up, we have Printful the Premium tee. It's priced at $26.50. It's unisex, and this time it's in the size of medium. It comes in the Bella canvas. It's 100% cotton and ring spun, and it is in black. This does not have a tag. It has a custom printed label, which I think is so cool. You can print your own custom label of your brand and you can figure out the formatting that you want, or you can use their custom formatting. It similarly has some texture showing through from the actual shirt. That could be due to the fact that it's on black. Honestly, in comparison, the fact that this holds up on black, which traditionally looks pretty bad, darker colors, with services like this is actually pretty good. Barrier base, which is a base under the print that they print just to make it vibrant. I can see it peeking through some of the outlines of the images, so that's not the greatest thing. Okay, so let's see what the quality looks like. You can see it a bit here. I'll try to get, there we go, a little bit better. You can see that the samurai is a bit faded. And I think this design is awesome. I love this artist work, and I actually on the channel will do some work in this style because I think it's that cool. But in contrast, look at the vibrance here. Look at them side by side. You can see one is faded and one looks super vibrant. It's pretty clear to see the difference there.